Good morning. It is Saturday morning at 12:17 a.m. This is James Spann. We're watching developments off to the west. And again, as we speak, Alabama is quiet. Storms have been increasing over Mississippi, and this one storm right here has gone tornadic that's now crossing Interstate 55 near Grenada, Mississippi, which is between Jackson and other severe storms are in parts of eastern Arkansas. Here's a closer look at that severe storm. And again, this has produced a tornado. It has been spotted by storm chasers on the storm. We've had debris being lofted from time to time on radar. And you see the purple polygon here. That means this is a confirmed tornado. And again, the tornadic part of the storm is about right here, Interstate 55 right here. This will likely be crossing I-55 between Grenada and Winona, Mississippi. And if this continues on this track, it will likely push into the northwestern corner of Alabama. This is the state line right here, perhaps in Hamilton or Marion County or Franklin County, these two counties right here. So again, it's about probably an hour and a half away, but something to watch. Now, this is the only severe storm in Mississippi at this point. It's out there by itself, but it's shown signs of having some staying power. It's been pretty consistent for the last 30 minutes or so. So again, we have a tornado warning in effect now for this storm crossing Interstate 55 in Mississippi, about halfway between Memphis and Jackson, near Grenada and Winona, Mississippi, and that will keep on moving to the northeast. And again, if it holds together, it could wind up in Marion or Franklin counties up here in northwest Alabama. We have a tornado watch in effect for much of northern Mississippi until 3 a.m. And again, this is a PDS watch, a particularly dangerous situation. In Alabama, we have no severe weather watches or warnings. We do have a flash flood watch for the northern third of the state between now and early Sunday morning. Rain amounts there could be in the 2 to 3 inch range. So again, if you've not been watching, just to refresh what we're thinking here, we have two windows for severe storms. Round one will happen early this morning, between now and 8 o'clock this morning, mainly on the western side of the state, west of I-65. If you're in East Alabama, we just don't expect any issues overnight tonight. But from Interstate 65 west, that's where severe storms could push into Alabama from Mississippi. There's a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk of severe storms here. And storms in West Alabama later this morning could produce large hail, strong winds, and possibly a few isolated tornadoes. But the bigger concern, it's round two tomorrow afternoon and later today and tonight. We're Saturday now. And again, this is a rare level 5 out of 5 high risk. You don't see these that often. The last time we had one was on the 25th of March, 2021, 4 years ago. And on that day, we had 10 tornadoes and 3 long track EF3 tornadoes. And we could see some really rough weather here. We could see long track violent tornadoes tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. And these are the approximate window times here for round two. West Alabama, 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. For the central part of the state, that would include Birmingham, 1 until 10 p.m. And then for the eastern side, about 3 o'clock until midnight. So that's going to be really the focus of this. And we could see some really, really rough weather happening here. So be sure you get the warnings. No sirens, weather radio, and on your phone have emergency alerts enabled. And your safe place, helmets for everybody. And of course, in a tornado warning polygon, no cars, no mobile homes. If you live in a trailer, know the location of the nearest shelter, how to get there quickly, and have transportation arranged. Again, this is the latest updraft helicity product coming from the HER model. And this where conditions might favor rotation within thunderstorms. And again, you can see initially we had a few tracks in West Alabama, but those will be increasing throughout the event. And by the time we get to late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, a number of potential tornado tracks across the state. So again, we're primed for 2 rounds of severe storms, one early this morning, another one later this afternoon and tonight. We have no active tornado warnings in Alabama at this point, but again, we're watching that one cell in Mississippi. We'll be back here in about the next 30, 45 minutes with the next update. I'm here with Riley Blackwell of our staff, and of course, we'll be here all night tonight, all during the day today. Stay with us. I'm James Spann in the ABC 3340 Weather Center.